Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Two Voices English podcast. My name is Maya.
And I'm Sam. Hello, Maya. How are you today?
I am great, Sam. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. What is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about people. We are going to describe people.
Oh, cool. Describing friends?
Yes, let's describe our friends. I can start. I will describe my friend Anna.
Okay, tell me about Anna. Is she tall?
Yes, she is. Anna is tall, and she is slim.
Okay, so she is tall and slim. What about her hair?
She has long brown hair. It is very straight.
Long, straight brown hair. Okay, and what about her eyes? Does she have brown eyes?
No, she has green eyes.
Wow, green eyes. That's nice. Is she young?
Yes, she is young, and she is very friendly. She is a kind person.
She sounds very nice. So Anna is tall, slim, and friendly.
Mm-hmm. And she has long, straight brown hair and green eyes.
Great. Now let's imagine Anna is here. What is she wearing?
Good question. In this picture, she is wearing a blue t-shirt and black jeans.
A blue t-shirt and black jeans. Okay, and her shoes.
She is wearing white trainers.
Perfect. I can imagine Anna now. She is pretty.
Yes, she is. Okay, your turn, Sam. Describe your friend.
Okay, my friend's name is Max.
Max. Okay. Is he tall?
He is not tall. He is average height, but he is strong. He has a strong build.
Average height and strong. Got it. What about his hair?
He has short black hair. It's a little bit curly.
Short, curly black hair. Okay. Does he have glasses?
No, he does not have glasses. He has brown eyes, and he has a beard.
A beard. Cool. So he is handsome. And is he friendly?
Yes, he is very handsome, and yes, he is very kind and funny. He's a smart guy, too.
That sounds like a great friend. So Max is average height and strong. He has short, curly black hair, brown eyes, and a beard. He is kind and funny.
That's him.
Okay, so what is Max wearing today?
Today, he is wearing a red jacket. Under the jacket, he is wearing a white t-shirt.
A red jacket. Okay. And is he wearing jeans?
Yes, he is. He is wearing blue jeans and black shoes.
Great description, Sam. I can see him now.
Thank you. This is fun. It's good practice.
Yes, it is. Let's describe one more friend each. Do you want to go first this time?
Sure, I will describe my friend Clara.
Clara. That's a nice name. Tell me about Clara. Is she short?
Yes, she is. She is short.
Okay, short. And her hair? What color is her hair?
She has blonde hair. It's not long and it's not short. It's wavy.
Wavy blonde hair. I see. And what about her eyes?
She has blue eyes, very bright blue eyes. She's very pretty.
That sounds lovely. Is she a funny person?
Yes, she is very funny and very smart. A very good friend.
That's wonderful. Now, what is Clara wearing in your picture?
She is wearing a green jacket and a gray t-shirt.
A green jacket. Okay. Is she wearing jeans?
No, she is wearing black trousers and she's wearing red trainers.
Red trainers. How fun. Great job, Sam. My turn for the last friend.
Okay, Maya, tell me about your friend.
My friend's name is Matt. He is my old friend.
Matt. Okay, let me guess. Is he tall?
No, he isn't. Matt is short.
Okay, Matt is short. What about his hair?
He has short blonde hair. It is very straight.
Short, straight, blonde hair. Right. Does he have a beard?
No beard, but he has glasses. He wears black glasses. And he has blue eyes.
Ah, glasses. So Matt is short, has short blonde hair, and has glasses.
That's right. He is also very smart and very kind.
That's great. And what is smart Matt wearing?
He is wearing a black jacket and blue jeans. And of course, he's wearing his glasses.
Excellent. That was fun, Maya. We described 4 different people.
Yes, we described Anna, who is tall and has long brown hair.
Right. And Max, who is average height and has a beard.
And Clara, who is short and has wavy blonde hair.
And finally, Matt, who has glasses and short blonde hair.
This was great practice for our listeners. Now it's your turn. Can you describe a friend?
Yes, practice with your friends and family. And if you enjoyed our podcast today, please give us a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Two Voices English channel for more videos to help you learn.
That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Sam. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.